Welcome to my class of mathematics. Today I am going to teach you division of polynomials part 1, which is for the students of standard 8. Let us see how to divide a monomial by a monomial. Example number 1, 21m square divided by 7m. 21m square is dividend and 7m is divisor. If we take them in multiplication form, 7m multiplied by what equals 21m square. What multiplies 7 we get 21? Answer comes 3. And m multiply m we get m square. Answer is 3m. Now see in division form, 21m square divided by 7m, quotient we get 3m and remainder is 0. Next, how to divide polynomial by a monomial. Example number 2, 8p cube minus 4p square divided by 2p square. Again in this 8p cube minus 4p square is dividend which we are going to break and divisor is 2p square. Let us take first in multiplication form. 2p square multiplied by dash equals 8p cube. What multiply 2 equals 8? Answer is 4. And already we have p square. We need more 1p to get p cube. So answer is 4p. Let us take next part in multiplication form. 2p square into dash equals negative 4p square. Now answer we need minus 2 multiply minus 2 equals minus 4p square. Division form, 8p cube minus 4p square divided by 2p square. We get quotient 4p. We get quotient 4p minus 2. Remainder is 0.